SF Express Logistics Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think international shipping is slow and unpredictable, but SF Express aims to offer fast and reliable logistics solutions worldwide. SF Express is a Chinese logistics company providing domestic and international courier services. One standout feature is its extensive Asia network, which ensures rapid delivery within China and nearby countries. Customers can track shipments in real time and get updates via the app or website. Most people get this wrong. They assume cheaper shipping equals per service. The surprising truth is SF Express combines affordability with speed. Express services can deliver packages in just a few days across Asia, and standard shipping options remain competitive for international deliveries. Another advantage is supply chain integration. Businesses can automate order processing, track bulk shipments, and manage returns efficiently. SF Express also provides warehousing solutions for larger e-commerce operations. However, there are considerations. International deliveries outside Asia may be slower than specialized global carriers. Customs processes can cause delays, and pricing can vary depending on weight, destination, and service speed. In conclusion, SF Express is a solid choice for businesses shipping to or within Asia. Its fast, reliable service and business-friendly tools make it particularly useful for e-commerce companies. Subscribe for more honest logistics reviews before choosing a shipping provider.